So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting video of Power BI Master Class series. And this is the second part of creating our own KPI visual. So let's explore this. So in the previous video, we done creating our KPI visuals using the DAX expressions. So now let's explore some use cases here. Let's say your report consumer or the stakeholders, when he sees, yeah, we got the sales figure based on the threshold value that we set it, we got the down arrow also. Now when I select this, when I click on these options, I want to redirect it to a particular website, or I can redirect it to a particular page that I want to see. Why? Because I want to see from where I'll be getting this sales figure for the 2019 sales figures. So let's explore how we can solve these use cases. So what I'll do, I'll move to this insert option here, and I'll add my button here, and I'll just check to blank button here. I can see we got the blank button here. Now what I'll do, I'll just select this here, and under these property options, I'll change the height to, let's say, 200, and the width to 500. Now what I'll do, I'll select this also button, and I'll change the properties height options, that is height and width 200 by 500. Now what I'll do, I'll just select this button and I'll place on the top of this card here. Let's select this and place it here. Now you can see on both the directions, left, right, and top and bottom, you can see we got the dotted red arrows that indicates, yeah, it is perfectly aligned on the top of the card here. Yeah, I'll just place it here. Now what I'll do, I'll need to make this card and button, I'll need to make this as a group. So what I'll do, I'll click on view option here, and I'll select, go to the selections option. So I'll just select this. Now when I select button here, you can see button got highlighted. When I select a card here, you can see card got highlighted. So I'll group this card and button here. I'll hold my control options here. I'll just select button and card, and I'll right click on this, and you can see we got the group option. I'll just click on this. I can see when I expand this, we got button and card options. Yes. Now what I'll do, I'll just rename this to a KPI. Let's say KPI links group. KPI links group. Now what I'll do, I'll close my selections options. I'll move to this home option. Now when I select this button, I can see, let's select this. I can see we got the format button options here. Let's turn on this is actions options. Let's turn on, and let's expand this. Now under the type options here, you can see we got several options like bookmark options. So we already seen in the previous video how we can add a bookmark also. And I'll explain this drill through in the upcoming videos. So what is page navigations also, we already seen this in the previous videos, and Q&A also. Let's explore how we can add a web URL. So let's select this here, and you can add a web URL here, but I want it to be a dynamic. I want to check that is, yeah, we got the total sales figure for the 2019. If that is greater than or equal to the threshold value that we set it, I want to see a different websites. So let's see how we can make that. So what I'll do, I'll go to this browser options. Now I'll add some website names. What I'll do, yeah, I'll add some website. So let's say Power BI website link. So Power BI website links. Let's copy this Power BI website links. Just copy this, and let's copy what, the LinkedIn page. My LinkedIn pages. I'll copy this here. Now what, I'll move to this here, and I'll say, yeah, we got the total sales figure. When this total sales figure is greater than or equal to the threshold, that is 5 lakh, I want to see the Power BI. Let's say if you have some websites links, that is from where you are getting this total sales figures, then you can provide that website link also, that is the company website, or all that. So for the sake of in this video, what I'll do, I'll add Power BI link. So what I'll do, I'll move to this measures options, and I'll create a new measure here. And here I'll name this as KPI links. That's a KPI links is equal to, and here I'll create a variable here, that is my threshold. And here I'll provide some value, that is 5 lakh. And of course we need to return something. I'll return, and here I'll use if function. You can use if switch function also. Let's use if function here. And I'll say if the total sales is greater than or equal to the threshold value, then I want to see the Power BI link, this Power BI website link, just this. And if this is false, I want to see my LinkedIn page. Let's just tell say the LinkedIn page. This is not my LinkedIn page. I'll just copy this. Yeah, I'll close this. Yeah, we said if the threshold, if the total sales is greater than or equal to the threshold, I want to see the Power BI. Let's close this here. Now I'll select again this button options, this group options. I'll move this to the actions options, and you can see we got the effects, that is means conditional formatting here. I'll click on this, and we got the web URL actions to actions. Now under this, what field should we based on this? So what I'll do, I'll select my KPI link visual measures. So I'll click on OK here. Now what I'll do, I'll make sure this tooltip also on. I'll explain this what is mean by tooltip also in the upcoming videos. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this, and from here I'll select my KPI links also. Now let's say 2020, and we got the 2020 6,50,000 sales figures, and you can see, yeah, it is greater than the threshold value, that is 5 lakh. That's why we are getting here the tooltip, that is Power BI link. And let's say 2021, so we got the LinkedIn, that is if that is less than the threshold value, that is 5 lakh. That's why we're getting the LinkedIn here on the tooltip here. Let's hold the control option. Let's click on this. Now it should be redirected to a LinkedIn page. Yeah, correct. Now let's select the 2020 this, and let's hold the control option. Let's click on this. Yeah, it is redirected to a Power BI website link. Yes, that's working totally fine. So that's how we can create a KPI links using the DAX expressions. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.